Just another update. I now have the headlights in and the front end is starting to come together. And I decided to attack this gas tank. Just so everyone knows, I went with a fiberglass resin and spray foam mix. So essentially, instead of using Bondo body filler, I just put spray foam in here. Then I shaped it, I carved it once it hardened to the size that I wanted. Now I've just barely put fiberglass resin patch on it, and it should harden up here shortly. Then I can put the Bondo on it after I've sanded it and kind of shaped it. Then I'll put Bondo on it, shape it again to fill in some of this area right here, and then I should be able to have a somewhat similar form to the other side. Okay, I am down to two major things on this bike. One is this front tire. I'm gonna change that out because it's got a nice little loop in it. Everything else on it is fine, it's just the rim. And then this passenger side, the right foot stay here. And this thing will be tip top. So, almost done.